Your bathroom has a problem, a big problem. We have unsanitary conditions. When we go to the bathroom, we take this primitive act of standing 4 feet away from the toilet and aiming urine at the toilet, missing the toilet, getting urine on the floor, getting urine around the toilet seat, getting urine behind the toilet. And this is where your family spends time getting your kids ready for school, taking a shower, brushing your teeth, doing your hair, and there's urine floating around your bathroom. We need to do something about this, and we need to do something about this now. And the solution we have to these hygienic issues is the True Toilet. Now, when you use the True Toilet, 100% of the urine makes it into the toilet every single time. Does not get on the floor, does not get on the rim of the toilet, does not get behind the toilet. It gets into the toilet 100% of the time. When you use the True Toilet, you have an opportunity to experience what it's like to never have to worry about urine splatter in and around your toilet ever again. The urine goes directly into the True Toilet head, and it goes through the passageway and into the toilet, directly into the toilet where it belongs every single time. One of the things that I realized when creating the True Toilet was this is an issue that should have been solved a long time ago. I mean, if we think about it, this is a very primitive action, standing 4 feet away from the toilet and aiming at a toilet, hoping you make it all inside the toilet. Meanwhile, you're getting it on the toilet seat, you're getting it on the floor, you're getting it behind the toilet, around the toilet tank. Remember, this is where you brush your teeth, you do your hair, you take showers, get your kids ready for school, and we're getting urine and urine residue all on our bathroom. Now, the urinal, which sits just behind the toilet tank, can come forward to the point of the user. Now, somebody that's very tall, let's say, would stand with it here. Somebody that's a little bit shorter would take a half a step backward and stand with it there, or stand with it there. Now, this stays at the point of the user. You can let go of it if you'd like to, or you can hold on to it if you like to. Now, the way that this is controlled is by springs that we have underneath the underside of the toilet. Now, these springs can be tightened or loosened depending on how tight you want that to be. If you decide to tighten the screws, you can make it to where the True Toilet will actually go back to its place simply by letting go. If you decide to loosen the screws, you can make it to where you actually physically put the toilet seat back. And I bet you're wondering how you clean this. Basically, you just take your cleaner or your bleach, you simply pour it down the whole of the urinal. It travels down the cavity in the lid, the same path as your urine. It goes through the cavity of the lid, down the hole, right into the toilet. And that's all you have to do to clean it. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the functionality, the cleanliness, how it works, what we've promised you today, contact me for 100% of your money back. No questions asked. So it's time to take this seriously and make sure that we have the proper sanitary conditions for your home